Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. This is part 2 of the breakdown I have on a HAMWORTHY. This boiler here in my previous video was locking out on fault code 4, but what you will find is that it is no longer locking out. I've changed the gas valve and the gas valve is doing a much better than the previous gas valve. This is the previous gas valve. Here it is. It looked as though it was even locking out during operation, as though it wasn't allowing the correct amount of gas through. So I double checked my adjustments, because you know you can put something inside here and see how wound out it is. Like you can put a pencil in, for instance, mark the pencil how deep it's going into the valve. Also, I also checked the pilot connection as well, and how far that was screwed in to make the adjustments similar. Done my combustion readings and they are good as well, and the boiler has lit up consistently about 3-4 times, so I'm happy with that. I also cleaned out my condensate trap and replenished it with water from my quick fill, my heating quick fill. So those parts are working, the boiler is working, and I'm happy with the outcome. Let's check the temperatures on the air handling unit. Okay, on our air handling unit, you can see from we arrived on site this morning, the temperatures have risen up to about, it's getting quite warm. Yeah, the temperatures have risen, so that's really good. Guys, I don't mean to bore you, but always remember to check your fags, your flue, your air, your gas, your safety devices on these boilers, and yeah, just have a visual inspection whilst you're there. I know you may be there for something else, but just open up your eyes and have a quick visual to make sure everything is right, your gas supply and so on, your flue. Here's our boiler going in the ignition sequence again. Gonna turn off the light so we can see the flame. See that flame there? Trying to see what I can see. What can I see inside here? Oh, there we go. You can see the ionization in there above, lighting up. Can you see? There it is. And you can also see the igniter. Nice strong flame. Can you see those flames, how strong they are? Not like before where it was dying out and decreasing. So you can see the ionization at the top and the flame at the bottom. Okay, thank you for joining me. Until next time, bye bye bye.